morning from Grant Family Farm. It's March 3rd, 2025, and it's about 9:35 in the morning, and it's pretty out here. A lot of blue sky, some clouds. There's a slight breeze, maybe it's a little wind, and that is a little bit chilly. It's about 55 degrees by the thermometer I just looked at. It definitely has a wind chill. So we're going down here to feed these animals their breakfast. Sally gonna be the first one in there, see if she can find some mice. Good morning, girls. All right, everyone's fed. We're happy. This breeze is picking up. And it is cold. It does feel good to stand out here in the sun though. Yeah, I love the bright sky. Makes me happy.